In this video, we will learn how to insert video in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Just click on the initial and click on the insert tab. Click on the text. Click on the object. Here you can see two options, create new or create from file. I just select the create from file. Means I already have created video. I want to just add in Excel. Just click on the browse. Select your video, click on the insert. Here you click the display as icon. You can change your icon. Adjust this one. Take. Then you can rename here your video and click on OK. Click on OK. That's it. You can open it video on double click. Just double click on that. Click on the open and video will be open. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.